Easy dinner, cheeseburger macaroni. Fill a large pot with water, add salt, cover, and bring to a boil. We're going to use boxed mac and cheese dinner for this one. So you're going to add 4 boxes of macaroni to the water, stir this in, and then we're going to return this to a boil and we're going to cook several minutes until your noodles are done. Drain your noodles and set aside. Return your pan to this burner and we're going to add 1 stick of butter, 1 teaspoon garlic powder, 1 teaspoon onion powder, 1 teaspoon chili powder. Feel free to customize these seasonings to fit your family's liking. Now, once that's mixed in, we're going to add 2 cups of milk. We're going to need a total of 3 to 4 cups. We're starting with 2, and we're going to whisk that in so that our milk, butter, and seasonings are well blended. Now, we're going to add in the cheese powder from our box dinner. You absolutely can make this on your own from scratch if you are at that level. If you are a beginner, let's stick with the box. Powdered cheese is going to work tonight. So we're going to mix this all in, and then once we get this consistency, it's going to be really thick. We're going to go ahead with milk cup number 3. So this is our third of 4 cups of milk. Whisk it in. You're really looking for it to thin out and get creamy. And now we're going to go ahead and add the fourth. You may not need a full 4th cup of milk. Half a cup more may be enough. I needed 4 to get this to the consistency I wanted. Once our cheese is creamy, I'm going to add in 1 pound of cooked ground beef. I like to batch cook mine in advance and have it ready for the week. And then after we have our meat, we're going to add our noodles. Start with somewhere between a third and a half of your full count of noodles. Get those into your sauce and mix them in. Then once those are mixed in, come back and add the rest of your noodles to your pot and continue to mix these in. Now, you absolutely can add some toppings, like you can add in a green pepper, you could brown up and crumble some bacon into this, and absolutely, of course, you can add some shredded cheese. So that's the one I'm going with tonight. I'm going to add 2 handfuls of shredded cheddar to this, and then I'm going to just mix that in. It's going to help make it a little extra ooey and gooey and cheesy. And then all we need to do is prep a little side salad, and we have dinner ready.